Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your password in PayPal. First thing I want you to do is go to paypal.com, and here on the login page, just click on forgot password. And then what you need to do is enter the email address that you are using for PayPal right here, and then click on next. And after this, you need to do a quick security check. So you can choose what option you want. You can either receive a text with a code on your mobile phone or your email address, or you could go ahead and answer some security questions that you had set up, or you could also confirm your credit card number. Choose the option applicable to you and then click on next. Then we just type in our security code, click on continue, and it'll prompt us to create a new password and confirm that new password. And if you want, for security reasons, you can decide to log out of other devices as well. You just toggle this one on and then click on save. And then you can use your email and the new password to go ahead and log in. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.